No, don't start party yet because we're almost there.
I'd already started a party.
Oh.
And besides, I want to see the buffet in the video.
Oh, okay.
It is March unty, and this is party of driving to the M&J buffet.
M&J, yeah.
Oh, I remembered it this time.
Yeah.
I wish there were this many buffets where I live.
Yeah, we're very lucky. We have a good amount.
But they still got the Golden Corrals and Chinese buffets, and got cucumbers. I think you would like cucumbers.
Yeah, the way you described it, I'm sure I would.
Well, the day I left, I ate at a buffet in Owatonna, Minnesota.
Uh-huh.
Do you know where Owatonna is?
I do not.
It's only about 50 miles south of the Twin Cities. I left on this trip. It's a little after 6 p.m. on Sunday night, so I barely got there before they closed.
Ah.
I was actually so stressed, even though I got out of there before they closed, only because I was in a rush and I was upset, afraid something could fuck up and ruin my trip. I had that sinking feeling every time I go on a trip.
Oh, yeah, I know.
It eventually goes away.
Yeah. Yeah, I know what you mean, though. Yeah.
Some shit could happen and ruin everything.
Sure. All right. So,
that Wi-Fi on the laptop, that was really, oh god, my whole trip would have been ruined. I picked the right motel to stay at.
Yeah, you did. You were lucky.
That might be the law of attraction.
Yep, that could be.
Because I don't do this very often, and I haven't done it lately. I was saying, I'm going to have Wi-Fi tonight.
Okay.
And so I brought the laptop. They told me I was having problems with Wi-Fi. They said, if it ain't working, bring it to the front desk. And he said, it ain't working. So, and somehow the firewall fucking blocked the fucking internet. I don't know how that happened.
Yeah, this is kind of a long ride. Don't you think?
Fairly.
Yeah. Hot and cold buffet is even longer.
Well, the one in Woodstock's really longer.
Yeah.
I know they were a little bit rude at that one, but I still, I don't know. I don't think I want to go to AJ's.
Okay.
I mean, I got sick twice.
Yeah, that's a legitimate reason not to want to go.
I don't know if it's a coincidence or, but it might have been other things going on.
Yeah.
I think not having my cat with me during the last visit might cause me to get sick.
I don't know.
It didn't help.
You to get sick, but it didn't make you happy. I'm so glad we could have your cat here.
By the way, I was going to say, when they tell you have a discount for cash at some gas stations,
all right, M&J is up ahead.
That isn't the truth. The truth is it's a surcharge for debit or credit.
Yeah.
So you know about the Great Reset?
Yeah, but I don't pay attention to that stuff. It's all scare stories.
Well, not everything is scared stories. 9/11 happened.
Yes, it did.
COVID happened.
Yes, it
Alex
did.
Jones said they were going to create a pandemic. They did. It happened. So those are two things that Alex Jones was right about. And Alex Jones can be a real fucking asshole.
Oh, I know that.
But he's got some valid points and good things about him. I hate what he says about abortion.
So he's the Simon Cowell of journalism?
Perhaps. Okay, we are here.
If I want to enjoy my well-deserved feast, and I've been
Yes,
saying
you
this
do.
in my most recent videos, if people don't like my videos, fuck them. They're not my real friends anyway. My real friends are the cool people who like my videos. And the people who get to see my videos and hear my spoken words are the chosen people, even if they don't like it. And there's 8 billion people in this world, and they're all mediocre fucks. So I got to take some pictures of the buffet before we go.
All right.